Pakistani intruder was shot dead by border security force personnel along the international border in Samba sector. The BSF stated that around 9:45 am, BSF troops observed Pakistani intruder heading towards the fence near BP number 64 in the area around the border post Chak Fakira of the Samba sector. Another Pakistani intruder was killed in the same area on November 23, 2020. A tunnel was also detected in the area recently. A week after educational institutions reopened for higher classes, most of the schools in summer zone area of Jammu resumed classwork for students from class 1st to 8th amidst the strict COVID-19 protocol. However, parents of many students complained the hardship of in dropping and picking up their wards in the absence of school transport. In the revised guidelines of COVID-19 containment measures issued at the last month, the Jammu and Kashmir administration had allowed school, colleges, higher educational institutions, technical or skill development institutions to reopen from 1st February. MSP था, MSP है और MSP रहेगा. MSP was there, MSP is there, MSP will remain in the future, said the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Rajya Sabha on Monday amidst the ongoing farmers' protest against the centre's contentious farm laws. PM Modi also said the need of hour is to improve the lives of country's small farmers and ruling National Democratic Alliance initiated changes in the agricultural sector since 2014.
मंडियां अधिक आधुनिक बने, अधिक प्रतिस्पर्धी होगी. इस बार बजट में भी उसके लिए हमने प्रावधान किया है. इतना ही नहीं, एमएसपी है, एमएसपी था, एमएसपी रहेगा.
The Rajya Sabha on Monday cleared the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganisation Bill 2021 that seeks to replace the ordinance to merge Jammu and Kashmir cadre of civil service officer with Arunachal Pradesh, Goa, Mizoram Union Territory cadre. The bill was introduced in the upper house of the parliament last week. Minister of the States for Home Affairs G. Krishan Reddy said the Constitution of India is now fully applicable on the Jammu and Kashmir and that the bill will be enable availability of the officers in Jammu and Kashmir who have experience of running Union Territory administration.
दो स्टेट्स यूनिटीज बनने के बाद जम्मू कश्मीर जो विकास होना था वो नहीं हुआ, ऐसा कुछ लोग बताए थे. आदरणीय गुलाम नबी आज़ाद साहब भी रोड्स के बारे में, वाटर सप्लाई के बारे में, पावर के बारे में, एम्प्लॉयमेंट के बारे में, हेल्थ के बारे में अलग अलग विषय पर ध्यान दिए थे.
18 bodies have been recovered and 202 are still missing after the glacier burst in Uttarakhand's Chamoli district. Officials said on Monday as multiple agencies joined hands to rescue at least 30 workers trapped in the tunnel at a power project site. With more bodies being recovered, the death toll touched 18 and could go higher, officials in the State Emergency Operations Centre said. The 202 still missing includes those working at hydropower project sites as well as the villagers nearby whose homes were washed away with the force of the raging waters. Rajya Sabha leader of the opposition Ghulam Nabi Azad on Monday reiterated the Congress party's demand to restore statehood status to the Jammu and Kashmir. He puts forth the demand while addressing the Rajya Sabha on the address of Jammu and Kashmir Reorganisation Bill 2021. He claimed that the UT status is doing more harm to Jammu and Kashmir than good. Azad further said the habitable land is almost limited in Jammu and Kashmir as most of the areas are in the form of forests and mountain. There was an improvement in the cold conditions in Kashmir as the minimum temperature increased across the valley on Monday while it settled below the freezing point at all weather stations. Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir, recorded a low of -2 degrees Celsius last night, up from the previous night's -3.6 degrees Celsius. The MET office has said that while the sky would partly to generally cloudy on Monday, the weather is expected to stay mainly dry for the next 1 week. With a view to maintain the better sanitization and the hygiene in the market and also to stop disposal of garbage on roads, Jammu Municipal Corporation distributed dustbins to the shopkeepers of Rajendra Bazar and Shahidi Chowk. The dustbins were distributed by Chandra Mohan Gupta, Mayor JMC, in the presence of Tina Mahajan, Secretary JMC. The Mayor appealed to the shopkeepers, hoteliers and other businessmen not to throw garbage on the roads, lanes and the corners and overhead, the same only to designate the vehicles of JMC which have been kept exclusively for this purpose. A low-intensity earthquake measuring 3.5 on Richter scale hit Kashmir Valley on Monday, and officials said the quake measuring 3.5 on the Richter scale occurred in J&K on Monday at 5 a.m. and its depth was 30 km. In a significant achievement, India has been recording less than 150 daily COVID-19 deaths for the last 10 days, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said on Monday, while adding that only 84 coronavirus deaths were reported in the last 24 hours. The country's active cases declined further to 1,48,609 in the last 24 hours, and the active cases of the country now comprises at 1.37% of the total positive cases. As on February 8, 2021, day 24 of the vaccination drives, more than 58 lakh beneficiaries have received vaccination under the countrywide COVID-19 vaccination exercise.